welcome back to my channel. My name is DashiaMoniQue, and today we're going to be doing part 2 to the very first video that I did on bleaching your knives. If you have not had a chance to check it out, please go ahead and check that video out. After you have bleached your knives, you should have gone in and constructed your wig, and now it's time to move on to the watercolor method. I'm going to get started by the things that you will need, which is a half a bucket of hot water. I'm using 2 boxes of the Revlon Color Silk in the color 10, and you'll also need something to help blend the color in the water. So grab like a comb or a brush, and I am using a wig that I made myself, which is 28 inches, 3 bundles with a 20-inch 5x5 closure from CELIE here on AliExpress. I will leave that link down below in the description box. Once you have gathered everything you need, you can go ahead and mix the developer and the color together and then mix it into the water. Once you start blending that color into the water, take your time and blend that color in there. Make sure that there are no lumps in the water. Okay, y'all, so after a few minutes of blending, your water should look like this. As you can see, there are no lumps in the water. Okay, so once your water is blended, you can go ahead and grab your wig, and you can start to dip your wig into the water. First of all, this water is very hot, so I'm being very careful. I don't want to just drop my wig in there. So you'll see me dipping it in and out throughout the video. I dip it at least 5 times. At least 4 to 5 times, and I just take my time once I get to the root of, like, right before I get to the lace. I don't want to get this jet black dye on the lace. That's the point of the video, to be able to do the watercolor method without getting that dye on the lace. Once you get it on the lace, it's really hard to get out. So I usually just take my time dipping it in, and I let it sit for about 5 minutes. Okay, y'all, so this is the final result. After about an hour, I usually just go back in and check to see if there are any stains or jet black dye on the lace. As you can see, there is nothing there. Y'all, this is so simple and so easy. This can be done in 5 to 10 minutes the most. If you guys have tried this project, please let me know down in the comment section how it came out. And I just want to thank you all again for taking the time out and watching my video. I hope this information was so helpful for you all. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.